Hi Robert, Spencer from Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. We talked a little bit about a few E450 wagon models, and one model I suggested you might be interested in is our 2019 E450. Beautiful vehicle, finished in a lunar blue metallic. This model is equipped with the luxury package. So with that, it includes a more luxury appointed front grille, a little bit more chrome work, Mercedes-Benz hood ornament, nice chrome work down on the bottom as well, a very classic Mercedes-Benz look. Now, moving along to the side of the vehicle, you'll see beautiful LED lights and then the luxury appointed wheels. Another part of that package gives you a beautiful multi-spoke wheel, nice chrome trim along the rocker panel, matches that window frame, also done in chrome, and the door handles as well. Really nice contrast to that lunar blue metallic, beautiful look. E450 4MATIC in the back, so that's our all-wheel drive system. It's a beautiful car. Wraparound LED taillights, nice stardust effect in the rear there, so it really gives it a very nice kind of glimmering light when you see those LEDs at night. Dual tip exhaust in the bottom. It's a beautiful car, as I mentioned, lunar blue on the exterior. We have a nice dark brown leather interior. Let's take a closer look at the inside. Inside the E450, we can take a closer look at the interior. As I mentioned, a beautiful dark brown. We have this gorgeous Burl walnut wood trim across the dashboard and that center console. A lot of great features in the vehicle. LED lighting, a little harder to see right now, but 64 different color ambient lighting throughout the car. Comfort features include things like heated seats, a heated steering wheel, power and memory seats for the driver and passenger, Burmester surround sound system. We have our gorgeous panoramic roof up top, really opens up the cabin, lets in a lot of natural light. This vehicle is equipped with our parking package, so when you put the vehicle into reverse, a rear view camera will come up, including a 360 camera right here. Press down and our dealership comes into view as the front camera comes up as well. Another package included in this vehicle is the driver assistance package. That is our radar guided cruise control, so it sets to the vehicle in front of you, slows down and speeds up based on their speeds. Has lane and steering assist, so you will have to physically hold the wheel, but the car will turn the wheel on its own, matching the lanes on the highway. Dual zone climate control, multimedia, Bluetooth phone connectivity, all included in this vehicle as well. So many features, I could spend hours and hours going over them with you. I'm more than happy to do that. If you have any questions about this particular model, I'm happy to help. I understand you're a little bit further south than we are, and then we help arrange paperwork and transport to make it a very, very easy, simple transaction. As I said, my name is Spencer. My cell phone number 207-210-4796, or I am available via email as well. My email is sroe, that's SROE @driveprime.com. Wanted to give you just a quick little video tour, Robert, of the E450 wagon. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.